Hi, I'm Karthik. Welcome back to my Market channel. In this video, I'm going to detail you about an awesome feature of Go HighLevel called Go HighLevel membership. You might have heard about Teachable or Kajabi, which are like selling membership courses. Like if you do like coaching, actually many fashionary coaches are available. They do courses. You might have subscribed for many courses and use the platforms. In this video, I'm going to explain you about how at the back end they manage and how the GHL platforms has an effective membership feature which we can explore and which we can use for our coaching business. This is a vast topic. Actually, there are like too many features, many things available. I will cover all things. So without scrolling the video, you watch carefully so that you can understand each and every bit in detail. Let's dive into the topic. Actually, GHL membership basically has a structure of like you can find the JHL membership under the sites menu, and there are like 5 sub items available, like dashboard, products, offers, analytics, and settings. Dashboard is like where it's like a tracker, where like the GHL dashboard for say for sales tracking. You can use this dashboard for membership tracking, like how many opt-ins, how many checkouts, how many sales, and how many members. And products is the main thing. Products are like there are like you can categorize the courses like products. Each products can have multiple courses, and each course can have multiple categories, subcategories, and lessons. Say this is the structure. This is the under the products we have I have created a GHL course, and it's like a dummy course. It's not, I'm just for the demo purpose I'm showcasing this. And under this course, you can see like you can add a lesson or a subcategory or a assessment or quiz is like I will explain it in the later part of the video. Add subcategory or lesson is like each category can ask like 5 lessons or like any amount of lessons you have. Also you can have subcategories also. Custom accounts. Under this sub-accounts subcategory, you can group all those lessons which details about the specifically about the sub-accounts here. In this way, you can categorize or like you can modify the structure of the product. You can add a new category also. Agency. Agent, edit it, sales course 2 or sales course 3, or like add the image and do the customization, like how it should look for the in front of customers. And you can add custom JS, CSS, and tracking code also. You can use GA Analytics 4 code too. This kind of tracking also possible. And once you are done, you hit the save button, and that's it. And you can preview the course, how it looks in front of the customers too. Say this is how the membership course would look like in front of customers. Like they can just click the course one by one, and like instructor, you can change the instructor name also, and like they can watch the course one by one, and they can mark as complete also. This is not available for the admin, this is for the end users. So this is how you can use the course and sales course 3, I have this is we have successfully created a course now. And the main thing is like each course we have covered these topics, and the key thing is like each course has to be listed under a offer. Let's get into the offer thing. Offers can be free or like a you can create an offer like offer yeah, and this will immediately ask for the payment details. Since I have already connected the Stripe payments integrations Stripe, and since my Stripe is enabled, it's ready to collect the payment also here. And you can, and the customers can just type their card details and submit. Once they submit, the payment is done, and they will be allowed to access the course. Since this is a paid course, you can also use the free course also. Just wait. You can see this is a free offer, this is a free offer, this is a paid course. Paid course will have the specified amount you have delivered, and this will act as a mini dashboard, and it will show how much of revenue you have created from each offers. And offer is the one which you going to promote, and offer houses the products, and product houses the categories and the lessons. So this is how the entire structure is. Now what if the customer has signed up for your for a particular course, and you need to send them the access mail, right? That's a tricky part. You have to see, you have to ensure, like go to settings, and you can see like email settings. So when a customer just ensure that this is logged turned on, because similar to the appointments, if at all you try to manage through a manage grant offer access through a workflow, that won't have the password for the customers to or the credentials to log into the platform. So ensure that this is turned on, and you can have a separate template also. The templates are like email templates, whichever you have created in the templates tab, that would be available here. But let's stick with the default access template. Say let's see how it works in the real time. Say I have a customer, I'm manually going to grant an offer for a particular customer. You can automate through workflow also. I will show it in the later part of the video. But for now, I will grant an offer for a particular customer manually, so that you can see like how the GHLs automatically sends the mail to the customer. Say I'm in the contacts details page. The customer is just three, and how we can give them the access to the particular offer is like you can just go and see when you scroll down, you can see offer, and you can give an offer access to a particular offer. Say we have like 3 courses: assisted learning, self-learning, and offer 5. I'm going to give this particular customer access to self-learning. See, once I give the access, the system automatically sends the mail, and thanks for registering and willingness to try self-learning. We have set up an account for you. Username is test, and there's a dummy thing, so forget about all the errors shown here. And the customers can just click on the link, and they can access the thing. In case they need to sign up, or like they can watch all those lessons, and you can see now the markers complete is enabled, and they can update their status also. So those kind of things are possible here. They can, once they can log out, and if they want to log in back, they can use this credential. But see, ensure that this mail would be available only when you grant an offer for the customer for the first time, because occasionally GHL runs into issues when you change these things. And now we have covered those topics, sending credentials to users. And what if, like, you don't want this ugly URLs to be presented, like some random alphanumeric characters, membership, MSA, and you want to white label it? It's a very simple thing, like we used to do. You can just go to membership, how you usually verify for the funnels, websites, though that's the same thing you have to use here. Just go to custom domains, and say appoint a record or a CNAME to this particular thing, and add your respective domain. Then domain will be changed to the record, to your desired domain. So this way you can customize and you can white label it, and once you white label it, those particular domains, say Karthik GHL, this kind of thing could be available, and you can use for this one for any particular GHL or your login details for your course. Hey, once you go to products and membership product 1, and description, you can just leave it, and pricing option would be $499, and whether it's a one-time fee, it's like, sorry, DHL course, and this is where you have to fill the one, and once you click the additional option, it will show like membership offer. You have to just turn on that, and which membership offer this you want to collect. Say if at all I want to collect self-learning, you can just click and create. This is how the membership product for the membership offer is created, and you can have all the products listed here under the product section. And what you can do, you can use you can promote your offer as a product with your funnel also. You can list, you can have a VSL page and promote, and why the customers should subscribe to your course. You can promote all those things. After you add the product in the product section, come to a funnel, and in the step you can add the product here. Once you have the product added, you can just add I have added a two-step order form, and you can see continue, and you can see the sales membership is now available as a product, and you can collect payment from directly from the funnels also. So this is how you can use the funnel and to promote your products. Step order form, you can select the particular product you have added. Two-step order form settings, advanced. You can enable or disable the shipping here. Say you can enable or disable the shipping here, and you can enable all those cart modes, order bump, everything you can do. and once the button once they purchase the product, you can choose like which one they have to select also. So this is how you can use the um, you can use the products. This is how you can collect payment through funnel, and by promoting your membership offer as a product within your funnel too. And next thing we have to going to show is like how what are the options available for the membership cost with from the perspective of workflow. Like you can there are like numerous options available. Like you can set, as I shown in the previous workflow, you can like send the magic link as and when the customer membership has a new sign up for a particular offer. Or like if at all you can have a trigger like sources funnel two-step order form sales membership. When the particular product is sales membership, you can once the payment is collected, you can start sending nurturing sequences, or like giving directions which course they have to focus on, and I tell them update about their progress, and ask them for any questions, so that you can keep them interactive, and they can respond to you how good is the course. Those kind of things also can be done once you have the within the workflow. And the other thing is like you can also have a separate thing, like you might have a separate course, and you can see like in the reports there are like reports available. I will show like membership course, these are the reports, and these are the customers who have never logged in, and these are the customers who are very actively participating. So for those customers, you can like once they complete a category, you can give them access to another course also, another course like membership for this category completed If else, let's do if else. Workflow trigger is category completed. Then you can grant an offer for assisted learning. Say here the category, they have subscribed for sales course and they have completed their particular category, and you can now you are giving away free access for assisted learning. So this is how you can promote your offers and other things also. And there are multiple actions available. You can list out like whether the category is a particular category, and those things, category lessons products are available for anywhere in the workflow across like these are the across the workflow actions, and these are like the triggers available. And you can go through all the completed member. Just wait, because it's not showing the membership exactly. Yeah, memberships offers are like this, and triggers are like membership actions are like grant offer and revoke offer. But there are other things available like a product completed and course completed. Those kind of things are also available. So you can have the triggers accordingly. And the last two things are like upsell. What if at all you plan to upsell product instead of giving away, like I shown in the workflow? You can go to offers. Just wait. You can go to offers, and in any of the offers you can just click edit, and you can have you can see an upsell option here. Just wait. And once you click the upsell thing, you will be shown for the sales course we can upsell the GHL course, and you can upsell any other courses as well. And this would be like easier revenue option for you. Just click upsell, and you can see I have added just let's delete it and add it again for your understanding. Add an upsell, one click upsell, sell upsell offer, assisted learning, add upsell offer. So now we have added for the self-learning course, now we have added assisted learning as an upsell thing. So you can upsell this to the existing customers, and more likely if they are satisfied with your first course, they will purchase the second course as well. This will be the easier revenue option for you. And to make it you can encourage also the customer to qualify for the next course. That is called the assessment thing. Say, let's close these tabs. Inside of the courses you have the multiple products, and each products have multiple categories, right? In the categories you can add just wait, you can add assessment or a quiz. Say I can add an assessment within this category, and I can locate it anywhere. Quiz thing, quiz sales, and you can select the type as quiz or assignment. And in the quiz, if you click quiz, you can just drag and drop it at any point of time. Any part of the, after completing any lessons, they can go for the quiz, like as per the order you have set. and you can just click edit and you can add questions. You can have a multiple choice questions, and you can set this question. This is a passing grade. You can set the passing grade as high, and pass confirmations of passed. Congratulations. Sorry. And add a question, a single choice question. It can be a single choice question or a multiple choice question. How to set find API reusable in read mail SMS. Add choice. Settings. Custom. Now we have set the questions. Each question can have only one correct answer, and then you can click save, and you can preview those questions. Since it will be previewed as admin, you may not be able to. You are previewing as admin, you may not be able to submit the questions, right? This will be like this will be sure how the questions will do as a quiz would be look like for the customers. And I'm logging in as a separate customer, so that we can see how it actually looks in a different for the customer with a different browser. Say this is the quiz thing, and if since we set pass grade as 70%, if we click submit with a negative question, so 0 of 1 questions answered correctly and scored 0%. Sorry, try again. This is the message we have set. The customers can retake the quiz. This is how the assessment or the quiz works within the GHL membership. It's a very valuable tool, and you can once the customer has passed the particular percentage, passed with a particular percentage, you can set them like they can be eligible for the next course, and you can track all those reports or analytics for the membership here. Membership analytics, and this is like there will be three sections: course progress, assessments, and revenue analytics. Assessment is like what we have just seen, like what are the quizzes and how many customers have participated, and who are all passed, and this is how the report would look like for the customers who have performed, and who are all the customers who have participated in the quiz. You can easily track it from here. And regarding the course progress, it will show like how many customers have progressed with for each course, and how many logins they have done. So those kind of things you can grab all those customers who have never logged in, and reactivate them, or like if the customers have logged in several times but they are not watching the progress is low, you can speak to them and tell them like what's the issue they are facing. So all those things can be tracked within this report. And the final thing is like revenue analytics. If at all you have a paid offer, you can collect payments, as I said, and then you can compare each offer performance and month on month revenue to revenue things. All those things you can track. So this is how the GHL membership works. And sorry, the video has become very longer, but I want to cover all the topics. Now you are having watched the complete video, you have mastered the membership, and now you can go and sell your membership courses to your customers. Let me know in case if you have any queries in the comment section. I'll happy to answer that. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing channel. Thanks. Bye.